Good morning, students. I welcome you all in English class. Today I am going to teach you about degree. This is a very important part of your English grammar, and it will assist you in many ways in your coming examinations. Now here question rises, degree, what is it? According to the parts of speech, degree is adjective, and moreover I want to give a special information about degree, that there are two type of adjective. One, that is traditional mode of adjective, that is known as simply adjective, but in modern grammar there is a term that is also known as degree, and that is determiner. In some other classes I will discuss about the determiner, but let us try to understand what is the situation of degree. Here you are observing that positive degree. Positive degree means when a degree is used, when an adjective is used for a single person or an individual, in that condition that will be positive degree. Take an example. India is a big country. India is a big country. Shakespeare was a great poet. Tulsidas was a famous personality of our country. So many. But when we compare two persons or two things or two situations, in that condition the same degree becomes comparative degree. For example, when we compare John Keats and Shakespeare as a poet, and when we say Keats is the greatest poet, this is superlative degree. But when we compare Keats with Shakespeare and we establish the supremacy of Keats, in that condition we can say Keats was better than Shakespeare. So when two things or two situations are compared in reference to one another, that becomes comparative degree. Finally, when we establish the supremacy of a given person or a given thing over many terms or many conditions or many persons, in that condition that becomes superlative degree. This is the initial phase of degree. Moreover, we should try to understand, simply adding ER we can make a positive degree into comparative, and adding just EST at the end of a degree we can form superlative degree. But there some situation comes. Then where we add more and most. This is the situation when the degree is made of double syllables or compound word. In compound or double syllables, take an example, beautiful. Sita is a beautiful girl. But when we say Sita is more beautiful than Gita, so here beautiful is a compound word, and we want to establish it into comparative sentence. So we use here. So I use here more. This is the track. In superlative degree, when we say Sita is the best girl of her class, Sita is the best girl of her. So when the adjectives are made of some compound or comparative word, compound or double syllables word, in that condition, in comparative more should be applied before the adjective, and in case of superlative most should be applied. But The more important thing where we are going to discuss about at the level of class 9th, interchange of degree. How can we interchange a given degree into other forms of degree? So here take some situation. Today I am going to explain you how to change a superlative degree into positive degree. There are 5 steps. By applying 5 steps, we can easily change a superlative degree into comparative degree. These steps are given here. First step is we should apply no other. First form is no other. Then in the second step, the term to which subject is being compared, जिसके साथ हम उसकी तुलना कर रहे हैं, कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. Third, verb to be applied as for the need of the subject. And fourth, as plus positive form of adjective. And fifth, as plus subject. Now take an example. Sunita is the best girl of her class. Sunita is the best girl of class. The sentence is in superlative degree. And we want to change this sentence into positive. So, according to the rule, Sunita is the best girl of her class. First rule, we have to use no other. So, first of all, we should write here no other. Then the term to which subject is compared. So Sunita is the best girl of her class. So Sunita is being compared with the other girls of her class. So first of all, we should give no other. Second, the girl of her class. The girl of her class with whom she is being compared. So no other girl of her class. Third, verb to be applied as for the need of the subject. Here is verb. Next, positive as plus positive form of adjective, as plus good, and then as plus subject. When we compile all the terms in a sentence, it becomes no other girl of her class is as good as Sunita. Here are a few examples for you to solve as homework. Shakespeare was the greatest dramatist of English literature. So same step you should apply here. No other, number one, no other dramatist of English literature. First, we should write no other. Second, the term to which subject is being compared, that is no other dramatist of English literature. And next, was verb form, no other dramatist was as great as Shakespeare. Simply, Seema is the best girl of her class. Similarly, we can do the same. No other player of her team is as good as Seema. So, applying or compiling all the sentences, all the terms expressed in the rules, we can change positive superlative form of adjective into comparative form of adjective. Next day I will try to explain something else. That's all. Thank you.